Yo, let me tell you this, right? You get 100% of regrets when you don't try nothing, when you don't do anything. You gotta try. You gotta try. Like, what you expect? Like, you just expect just shit, everything to just go good for you? You can't think about now. Think about your future. You do not want to be 50, 60, 70 years old thinking about a bunch of regrets. You gotta try. You gotta do something. Don't think about failure, because the failure is part of the game. I got what could go wrong will on my chest. It's real. Being honest with y'all, you can't look at it like that. Don't look at it like that. Losses are losses. It comes with the game. You learn from your mistakes. Pull a trigger. Take action. That's it. Are you going to have 100% regrets? 100%. I'm letting you know now. You probably got them now. And you young as shit. You got to take calculated risks. It's part of life. It's part of life. Ghetto.